Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a moisturising salon quality conditioner. First we're going to select the skin and hair care program and then we're going to select conditioner and click create. Firstly I'm going to pick my humectant and I'm going to select the propane diol. Next is my gum and I'm going to select the sclerotium gum. For my cationic emulsifier I'm going to select the Incroquat Vahinal TMC 85. And for my non-ionic emulsifier, I'm going to select the Montanov 202. Next up is my lipids. And I'm going to select the moringa oil as it's moisturising for the hair and the scalp. For my polyquatinium agent, I'm going to select the Merquat 550 PR. Next up is my preservative, and I'm going to select the Geogard ECT. For my essential oil, I'm going to select lavender. And now for the most important ingredients is my actives. I'm going to select the hydrolyzed silk protein as it moisturises and conditions the hair. And I'm also going to select the honey quat as it is moisturising and great for damaged hair. For my added extras I'm going to select chamomile because it is soothing. And for my antioxidant I'm going to go with the mixed tocopherols. Now you can click generate method. And there you have a full formula and method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a moisturising salon quality conditioner using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to the createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own conditioner. Happy formulating!